Hello everyone, welcome to part 190 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we will check first that which points are pending. The currency converter is done now. Okay, so we can move it to the done points. And now we are going to work on product reviews and rating. Okay, so this is the point that is new for our advanced ecom series. That point we have also not done in basic series, and it's really important point. Now every website is having reviews and rating, and I'm going to show you that which kind of reviews and rating we are going to make. Open amazon.com, or you can open any other website. Most of the e-commerce website is now having this point, so you can open any of the category mobile, or you can open the clothing, and we can go in any of the here you can see, this is a kind of see how many rating it is: 3 2 3 4 ratings for this product. And if you will go down, you are going to see that reviews and rating, this is the review from the customer and this is the rating. Okay, so you can see the customer, one of the customer rate for 1 out of 5 star, and if you will go down, you can see 1 out of 5, and this customer rates for 4 out of 5 star along with the review. Okay, so you can see, customer can able to give 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, customer can able to give from 1 to 5 star rating. Okay, 5 star means the product is excellent, and 1 star means product is poor for that particular customer. Okay, so we are going to calculate the average rating from the customers. Okay, so one few customers have given 1, few customers have given 2 rating, few 3, few 4, few 5. So we are going to do some kind of calculation to calculate the average rating. So what is the average rating? Average rating we are going to display at the top with that rating. Okay, so that average rating we are going to display with the products. That is called the rating. Like this product is having 4.1 out of 5. Okay, so this is the kind of rating we are going to display. We will give the privilege to the customer to add the review and rating, but those review and rating are going to approved by the admin. Okay, so we will make the admin panel. We are going to make we will going to display all the ratings in admin panel along with reviews, and the admin is going to approve. After that, they are going to show here in the product detail page, because there may be chance of there's some spam may come, or something like this, so that admin will not approve. Okay, so let's start working on this feature, and this ecom 6 is our database. So first of all, we are going to make the ratings table with the help of migration, and we are going to add few dummy ratings with the help of seeding. So this is the first thing we are going to do in our rating and reviews. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we are going to create the that ratings table. Okay, so first of all, we are going to run the migration command, PHP artisan migration command, to create the rating file. Okay, so that we can create the rating table. So we will go to our project where it is personal ecom 6. I will right click, new terminal at folder. See, if you are in Windows, then how to run your project, how to run this command, this github or command prompt you can run, and you can run the commands. Okay, so artisan command we are going to run: php artisan make migration. We are going to create the migration file, create ratings table. Okay, we are going to create the ratings table, so we are going to create this file, create ratings table. So here we are going to open this file, create ratings table, and here we are going to add few fields, new fields. Okay, see, fields that we are going to add: user id, product id, review, rating, and status. So these are the fields we are going to add. So let's add these fields. Table, first field is integer user id. We are going to save. So rating is only for the logged in user. Okay, so user need to log in to rate for the product. So next one is the product id. Product id we need to store for which product you are going to rate. And then test is for the review. The review can be big enough, okay, that the admin can approve. So here review will come, and after that we are going to give the rating, star rating. Okay, so star rating will come here. It can be 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so it will come in integer. Value is in a number only. Okay, but we are going to show the star. Okay, for this one. So here the rating will come, and the next one is the tiny integer for the status. So admin can disprove, or admin can disprove, deactivate the rating if the rating is not good enough, or if there is any spam. Okay, so these are the fields: id, user id, product id, review, rating, status, and timestamps will created at and updated at columns. Okay, so now we need to run the another command, and that is php artisan migrate. So we are going to run to create the table php artisan migrate. Okay, so let's run this one. There's some issue, so check once what is the issue exactly. Table currency already exists. Okay, so there is some other issue has come here. So for that we need to remove one of the migration file, I think. Okay, so let's see. It happens some of the times that previous migration is having some conflict. Okay, so we are going to check here once. Project database migrations. Here we are going to, I'm going to check which file is creating migration. Currencies file, create currencies table. This file is creating trouble. Okay, so we can remove this file from the time being, and after remove the, we are going to check. Okay, so I'm going to remove this currencies file. Now I'm going to run. Let's run once again php artisan migrate, and now this time you can see now it's fine. See that currencies already, we have already finished that module, so that migration file is not required. Okay, so we can remove if in case any migration, old migration file is giving us issues, so we can remove that from the migrations folder. So now our table has been created. We are going to see where it is. It's here. Okay, so you can see the table has been created here. Okay, rating table is ready. Now we will add few ratings with seeding so that we can display them in admin panel. Okay, so let's now run another command, and that is the seeder command. We need to run the seeder command for inserting the dummy entries. PHP artisan make seeder. So like we used to create the migration file, this is the same way PHP artisan make seeder, and the name of the file will we can make like ratings table seeder. Okay, so we can create this name, ratings table seeder. So we can open this file now, ratings table seeder. Okay, so we are going to add the dummy entries here. Here we will take array rating records. In this array we will take another array to add the entries. All the columns we are going to add here, like first one is the id will be 1. Second one is the user id, we can take user id as 1 only. Then product id also we can take it as 1. Okay, so then review we can give something like very good product. Okay, so this one rating will come there, rating the customer can give for this review like 4 rating out of 5. And the last one is the status, so we can keep the status like 0 initially, okay, as the admin will approve, okay. So now one more entry we will add here. I will just copy paste this one, okay. So here I will make id 2, user id you can give any user id, you can give one user id only, and product id you can give like 2 product id. And here you can give something as like excellent product, okay. So any kind of review you can add, then rating you can give like 5, okay. And one more we are going to add here like this, and here we can give 3, okay. So user id this time we can add the 2, and product id you can give again for the first one. And rating you can see product is we customer can give like product is not good at all, and give only 1 star, okay. That is minimum requirement for the rating, and status will be 0, okay. So here few things we need to attach here. Rating model first, use app. So that model we need to create the model first, okay. So see, we are already having the table, so we need to create the model. So let's create one model here, php artisan make model rating, okay. So this model we are going to create, and here also we are going to have this model, okay. So this model we can attach now, use app rating, okay. And we are going to insert these records in rating model ratings table. So we are going to insert, and this one rating records. So that is done, okay. So now we are going to run php artisan dbc command, but first of all we need to update one more file, and that is the database table seeder, okay. Database seeder file, okay. So this file we need to update like we have done for the currency table seeder. So here I am going to comment this one, and we will add here rating table seeder, this time ratings table seeder, okay. So now it's done. Now we are going to run 2 commands here. First of all, composer dump autoload, okay. Dump autoload, let's run this command. After that we are going to run php artisan db seed to insert the records, php artisan db seed to insert the records. See records and minutes inserted. Let's see, browse, and you can see the ratings have been added here, okay, with status 0, okay. So now it's fine, we able to add the ratings and reviews here in our table, okay. So our table is ready along with the ratings and reviews, dummy ratings and reviews. So in next video we are going to display these ratings and reviews in admin panel, okay. And the admin can able to approve or reject. So status also, along with the status, active inactive status, we are going to display these ratings in admin panel. So stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.